clerics make themselves shepherds, and they are slaughterers, and they seem of great holiness to whoever sees them dress. And I am put in mind no less of how Lord Isengrin one day wished to come near a fold, but for the dogs that he feared always, he dressed in a sheepskin coat with which he fooled them, I say. Then he ate and dragged away all that pleased him in that place. Kings and emperors, dukes, counts, and noble lords, and knights with their swords once ruled the world's space. Now I see the clergy sees lordship over every race, with robbery and with treason's keys, and with hypocrisy's face, with force and with preaching's grace. And they are sick if one does not show, and give them all and it will be so, however long the pace. The higher they are in station, the less worth is in their possession, and the more folly's obsession, and the less of truth they tell, and the more of lies they sell, and the less of company's trace, and the more of failings disgrace, and the less of learning spell. Of the false clerics I tell, but never man yet heard of a hell so full of enemies of God's embrace since the time of ancient days. When they are in the refectory, I do not count it to their glory that at the highest table story I see the rich wretches take their place, and first to the soup they race. Here what a great vileness! Why do they dare to come into that space? And no man drives them from the case, but never yet in that place saw I a poor beggar wretch's face, sitting by the rich wretch's side. For this much I give them the lie. Let never our K's nor our Mensa have any fear or terror that abbot or prior will ever invade their door, nor seize their lands forevermore, for that would be trouble sore. But here they are in care and worry, how the world shall be their quarry, and how they might cast out Frederick from his shelter swift and quick. Yet such a one challenged him there, who did not much rejoice at the trick